Yeah, hi, just a quick recording today. I'm just going to run through how to deal with the COVID wage subsidy and the IRD resurgent subsidies when you're reconciling them in Xero. I'm just in the demo company now, and I've created this dummy import to show you what the transactions look like when they arrive. So this one up the top is the IRD resurgent subsidy, and then the one below it is when MSD pay for the COVID wage subsidy. Okay, so if you've got a chart of accounts from entry from last time when you did the subsidy, just put it into the same place. But if you need to do a new one, then I'll just go through that now. So come into your chart of accounts and go into revenue. Basically you want to look for a free space. So in this case I'm going to use 208 and 209. I'm going to do two separate accounts. Other income, so 208 will be COVID wage subsidy with no GST. And then add another one, other income 209, COVID RSP subsidy. Okay, so the RSP subsidy from the IRD, that if you're registered for GST, then that has GST on it. Okay, the rationale behind that is that the wage subsidy is to pay your wages, so there's no GST on that, and the RSP subsidy from IRD is basically to pay your other business expenses. Obviously the majority of those will have GST. Okay, so we've got those two new accounts added now. So come back into our reconciliation screen, reconcile them. IRD COVID RSP subsidy, so the GST one is that one from the IRD. COVID wage subsidy. Okay, and that one doesn't have GST. So it's just as simple as that when you do it. There are some tricks about if you're receiving the wage subsidy as a when you're a shareholder, getting a shareholder salary from your company and things like that. But basically, from your point of view, just reconcile them to those accounts, and we can split things out if they need to be coded elsewhere at the end of the year. Cheers.